Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to modify your BMW M5 in Car Parking Multiplayer 2. First, navigate to your garage, which is the central hub for all vehicle modifications. Once there, select your M5 to start customizing. Begin by adjusting the suspension settings. Lowering springs and coilovers can improve stability and reduce body roll. Next, focus on your wheels and tires. Modifying their size and width significantly impacts your car's grip and overall stability on the road. To truly boost your M5's performance, engine upgrades are crucial. You can install a more powerful engine or enhance existing components like the block and head parts. Consider adding a turbocharger to force more air into the engine, which dramatically increases horsepower. Don't forget the braking system. Upgrading rotors and calipers ensures your M5 can stop effectively, especially after those power enhancements. Beyond performance, visual customization lets you express your unique style. Start by applying custom paint colors and finishes to give your M5 a fresh look. You can choose from a wide array of shades and textures. Next, explore various body kits to alter your car's silhouette and add a more aggressive or sleek appearance. Finally, consider installing custom headlights and taillights, which can include RGB dynamic lighting kits, to make your M5 stand out day or night. For advanced tuning, fine-tuning your gear ratios is essential. Adjusting them allows you to prioritize either rapid acceleration or a higher top speed, depending on your driving preference. Also, modifying the differential lock can significantly improve traction, especially during hard cornering or launching. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your driving style. And hey, for making meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.